so a lot of people ask what this machine is that you see on the ship. There's usually two of them, usually one down in the lobby and then usually one up somewhere near the casino. All right, so what this is the sale outside account kiosk. You can do a lot of stuff with this rather than waiting that guest services line. You can view your account, you can make payments, you can manage your party, you can add and withdraw cash, you can add credit cards and Carnival gift cards, and you can change bills. So the first thing we're going to do is Max is going to put in a gift card. And I'm going to cut it till he gets in his pin. All right, you're going to start out with your folio number, or you can put your card in the slot, but I've never had it work with the card. All right, so there's his account. Now what he's going to do is he's going to manage funds. He's going to add a gift card. He's already got 3 of them in there. All right, here we go. He's going to add the gift card number. And here we go. Now you can copy this gift card number if you'd like, but it's already been used, so you're not going to get very far. Oh. All right, look at that, $500 gift card. Now what he did, he bought these on AARP, or ARP, whatever everyone's called it. He just applied it to his account. He only paid $450 for a $500 gift card.
And you can put $2,000.
Right, and you're only allowed $2,000 to put it on the ship. Now you can also go to guest services and have them do it, but it's more fun when you're trying to show the machine. All right, so his gift card is added. He's got all 4 gift cards in there.
I don't need a receipt.
And there you go. So what else can we do on this machine? All right, so we can, I'm just going to leave it under his name rather than mine. We can also look at our bill, okay? So we can view and print statement.
Don't see all this bar.
Yeah, don't see those bar charges. And basically what that is, and if we wanted to, we could print this. And I'll just show you what it would look like, a printed version, kind of like what you get in your room at the end of the cruise. Okay, so that's what that. And if you wanted to print it, that's going to come out down here if you want to really print the hard copy. So let's go back. All right, so we're going to take now. We're going to change a bill. So if Max wanted to change his 100, you're just going to slide it in that down there. Yep.
Not ready. Ready?
Yep. And there it goes, and it's going to come out as 5 20s. I'd rather have machines that give you 12 20s for a $100 bill. All right, so now if you wanted to do it again, you can take a 20.
Got them all.
You got them all. And he's going to slide it in, just one. And he's going to break it into 10 and 2 5s. Now, it's not going to generally let you go. It let me in the casino one.
I got to start again.
Oh, he's got a chart. Yep, you got to tell it what you want. And then I'm going to borrow the 20. Wait. You wanted to put it on your account, but you got to get it back.
2 10s.
All right, so you got 2 10s, and then it just keeps breaking them down further and further. Not sure if it'll give you 5 1s. Let's see. I know it's going to give you 2 5s.
Okay. Change bill.
There it goes. And I gave him 2 5s. So let's just see if it'll give us 1s.
I don't think it will.
All right, we're going to try. Change bills. And no, it will not give you 1s. So, all right. All right, so now we've got that. One of the things we can do is we can manage our party. If we want to add somebody, okay, we can update our pin. We can do anything we want here. and you can edit your charging limit. I have no limit. And then if we want to add a guest, so we want to add a stranger, you need consent from them to add them, and then you can do that actually on your account. And then the next thing we can do, we already did the manage funds, we already did that, and pretty much that's it. Now you can, when you say manage your funds, if he wanted to, he can add a gift card like he did, but he can also withdraw cash. But it has to be cash that's basically coming out of your account. And if he wants to add cash, say $5, and then he wants to put that toward his bill, or you can use a credit card. Now he's going to slide that $5 in. And lo and behold, he inserted $5. Yes.
Receipt.
And there you saw his account just went up $5. So that's pretty much it. It keeps you out of that line downstairs at guest services and lets you pretty much manage everything you want to do here. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I've showed you this machine before. These are in the casino itself, and we want ones. So you can either put your card in here and you can cash out and it will pay you cash rather than wait in a line at the cage. But if he wants to take that $5 bill, put it in, unlike the machine out there, the kiosk.
Hard to find exactly where to put it though.
All right, so there goes the 5 and out comes. You guessed it, 5 ones. So that's in the casino itself. Alrighty.